Hello guys. Today I was a bit worried. Not today, actually. Yesterday, I saw my colocasia leaf doing this. I thought there was some problem. I thought I have some really big problem because I thought it was a leaf that refused to unfurl. So I think I need to do something with it, because this is still like rolling, curling up like this, and the new one already came up. So I thought there would be some problem, but it turns out it's not. I hope it's not. As I asked around, and then I saw at other people's Colocasia that they have like really a lot. They said that this is a sign that my Colocasia will flower. Or I don't know if it's called flower or not. So I thought this was the flower thingy that has the male and female pollen inside. Thought the chamber gonna be here, and this is just the, what is it called, spathe, and gonna be spadix, something like that inside. But yeah, out of excitement, I think you might be able to see, I tear it because I want to see what's inside. Turns out it's nothing inside. Nothing inside, but look, my leaf is not doing well at all. I thought it might be because of the weather, because it's quite a bit cooler than usual. So, and yeah, I was taking it to places, so the root probably get damaged because it's in a very soggy soil. It's in water, like lily pads. So the root would, I think it will get damaged when I move it about. So it turns out that it's about to bloom, it's about to have flowers, and that's one of the main reason that this particular one, my Queen of Phoenix, is not doing well. But the babies are doing well. That one is almost as tall as its mother, and one of this over here, the color is starting to come. It's gonna be green just like this first, with purple blackish dot, and then this is what's the yellow gonna come first, and then followed by the pinkish purple, what is it called, vein, the midribs and the vein. So yeah, it's about to flower, but I open it up, there's nothing inside. This is just like a leaf that curled, and I asked people who had like a lot of Colocasia. They said that this would have the plant would have this first, and then the next one will be the flower that has the spadix and the pollen inside. But I'm not sure. It looks really skinny, just like this one. So a bit worried, honestly, because honestly she doesn't look that well comparing to the other. There was some caterpillars attack a few times, but not very bad, not bad actually, because I have nets right now, so it does help protect it from butterflies, but smaller bugs and other pests, not so much. So I hope this little guy will be the flower part with the spadix. I just hope it flowers. I want to crossbreed with other colocasia. And that's it for today. Uh, just a concern actually, and wanted to share my concern, and just in case that anybody who having colocasia at home and have seen something like this, and yeah, just so you know that it's not your plant having a problem, it's just it's mature enough to flower. And that would be all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.